What's up, everybody? Honnie here from Happy Camper. Welcome to our channel. We've been getting a lot of messages about our bed being horizontal in our Chevy Astro van, and today I wanted to show you how I fit. First off, Nikki is about 5'2" and I'm about 5'5", and we both fit pretty perfectly on our bed. On the further end of the van, it's a little shorter, and the middle end here is a little taller or longer, so I sleep on this side while Nikki sleeps on the other side. And I'm going to show you how snug it is by laying down. So this is a twin mattress, and it didn't fit this length, so we cut off the top end, and I wrapped it in, what's this? Tapestry. I wrapped it in tapestry that Nikki had, and I actually just put this pillow right in this gap between our cabinet and bed, which allows me to angle myself just a little bit and give me more space. And that's it. So if you're wondering how we fit, that's how we fit. However, we're changing it anyway for long-term comfort. As you can see, we already started. We're gonna reuse the slats, add some framing, and build a pull-out bed. Since we're having a pull-out bed, we have to remove the cabinet that we installed, probably gonna junk it, and thinking about adding some cabinets, probably on both sides. Not too sure. We're gonna do it on both sides, if not just the one side. I haven't drawn out a plan or decided how I'm gonna make the cuts, what angles or what distances. So I'll probably do it step by step, see how it goes. Welcome to day 2 of our bed build. What I've done so far is added some leg support here and here. We are going to do the cabinet on this side. That way, when our bed is out, we have a little bit more space to move about closer to the door. Also, when I put up this wall, I actually used a 1/2-inch plywood to prep for a cabinet on this side. So I thought it would be a good idea to have something to secure the cabinet to. So today I'm working on the second half of the bed, the pull-out feature, and making sure that the distance would fit all of our mattresses, which we bought 4 from Amazon, and we'll link it for you. So this is essentially what it will look like. That's all of the bed slats when it's closed, and then of course when you pull it out all the way out there, it'll have gaps. The black ends here, existing frames, added that support, added this support. Cabinets are gonna go in this space here. It's a pretty big cabinet in my opinion, but you know, it'll work for sure. Once you pull it out, that bench will act as a support. It'll come all the way out to the cabinet, which gives us a pretty much full-size bed. Should be good. So this is the inside of the van. I screwed this board in. This will be the stop point for the slide out. Again, original frames. And this is where the other side of the, I don't know what support, will be sliding back and forth. And I added black duct tape on the top so it'd be smoother. Now I'll also add felt on the bottom of the support frame so that it'll slide in and out easily. So we finished the bed slat last night, and it was getting dark, so I didn't really test it out, but here's the mattress. And it works! Bed is done. Let me show you how it works. We bought 4 of these. I think they're actually patio seat covers. We got the recommendation from Andy the damn Astro. Thanks for the recommendation. They're 3 inches tall, 18 inches wide, and 48 inches in lengthwise. So this is what it looks like. Fold it out. Let me show you what it looks like when we put it away. And we're ready to go. The best part about this setup is that I can sit here as a couch if I wanted to, put that up, sit here like this. Nikki still has her bench, which she loves. She can sit like this. We still have the extra storage space underneath for our toilet, for our shoes, everything that went underneath our bed, so good, and the space is still usable. The next thing I'll do, probably install a cabinet space here. I'm debating whether or not I want it to come out all the way over here so that I can cover this ugly piece, but all of this will be cabinet from top to bottom. The bottom is going to be hollowed out so that we can still put all of our stuff that went down there, especially our camping, our kitchen bin. And then we'll have probably some slide out cabinet doors here and then an open shelf up on top. Now, I hope I don't have to make any more modifications because this is the third time I built this bed. Check out a video we're going to work on. We're going to go through what we like and dislike about all three types of setup. But first, we'll have to give this a test, see how it works, see if we need any modification, and go from there. Hopefully you enjoyed our video. Give us a follow, like, subscribe, share us. We are just starting out, and if you guys watch our videos, we'll make some more. Thanks.